Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. I could not let today go by without making this video. And the reason is, if you follow me at all, you already know about the seasonal sale that's going on with Stampin' Up! That ends today. So it's cardstock, it's dies, and it is ink pads from the annual catalog. So there's anywhere between 10 to 20% off on those items, so check that out. I'll put the link down below. But what I haven't done in a long time, and I had to tell you now because it is the best opportunity I have seen in the 10 years that I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and that is about the starter kit special. It's only $75 this month, and it's normally $99, so you're gonna save that. Plus, you still get to pick $125 worth of product. You pick whatever you'd like. So if there's like a big ticket item that you want, maybe something that costs like the markers, like the whole set of markers, $123 is what it typically costs. But if you do that and choose that as your starter kit item, you get that whole thing for only $75 plus tax. There is free shipping, so you do have to pay for that. But right now, today, and today only actually, you can take advantage of the seasonal sale items as part of your starter kit. So you're gonna get those seasonal sale prices, and you're going to be able to save even more, or even, I guess it's called what? Getting more bang for your buck, stretching your dollar, whatever you wanna call it. But I definitely would like to invite you to be part of my it's awesome Stampin' Beauties family. So we have a great team, and I would love to have you on. It doesn't matter what part of the country you're from. I have people in California, I have people in Arizona, which is where I'm at, and I have people all the way over on the East Coast as well, down to Florida, Kentucky, all kinds of locations, and we get together often. In fact, just last night, we got together and we got to use, well, I got to use because it was Sip and Stamp, where we just get together. Anybody's welcome to join me, but I used one of the new stamp sets that's going to be coming out in January to do this little card here. We did other stuff. I made a Christmas card, some tags, and then I turned the tag into a Christmas card. So another card that we showcased, or I showcased, is another new set that's coming out in January. But what's cool is when you are a demonstrator, you get to see all this stuff early. You get to purchase some of the items that are coming out in the new catalog in January. We get to purchase in December. So I think that is totally cool. I hope that you are interested and would like to become part of the team, and you do it for whatever reason you want. If you just wanted to get that big ticket item and be done, it's okay, because there is actually there's no risk. It's a completely low risk opportunity. But if you're just getting it for the big ticket item and be on your way, there's no risk. But however, you could choose to be here for business and earnings, or you might choose just to be here for a hobby and savings. It's all up to you, but I'm going to be here to support you either way. I am always accessible to my team. I speak to most everyone throughout the month, and we have team meetings, we have a Facebook page, we have get-togethers, we have crafting days. It is a lot of fun, and I just hope you would like to join on my journey as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So I'll put the link again down below in the description, and I'll also put it right across here so that you could see. If you cannot, for some reason, see or get to that link, just go to beautyandthestamper.com, and I'll have it there as well. So thank you guys so much for letting me come and take up 5 minutes of your time. I appreciate each and every one of you as beauties on my YouTube, my Facebook, my TikTok, my Instagram. I'm everywhere, beautyinthestamper.com, and I thank you guys for being the beauties that you are, and I hope to see you soon, and I hope to get an email saying that you've joined my team. All right, take care. Bye.